From design verification through to production line testing, reliability and fidelity are critical at all stages of development, manufacturing, and deployment. Spirent simulation delivers unrivaled consistency and fidelity, ensuring your products and systems reach your customers ready to perform to the highest standards. PNT Xe from Spirent ensures that test excellence is in reach for all project stages and budgets. It has been designed for fast setup and integration, and for user-friendly configuration and testing. The lightweight, robust, and highly compatible form factor is ideal for desktop operation, rack mounting, and field testing. With support for all constellations and frequencies, PNT Xe has the flexibility needed to support a broad range of project requirements. Access to AES M-Code and a removable system disk ensure compatibility in secure testing environments. Incorporating Spirent's uncompromising architecture, you can be sure that tests mirror real-world signal environments, and results are deterministic and representative, from concept to delivery. And with Spirent, you can be sure that you are benchmarking your product's performance against the same industry standards as your chip and module providers, giving you important consistency. PNT Xe, elite test performance at an accessible price point. From Spirent.